So here we've got Jason's blend of Australian automotive icons. The old AU Falcon and 3.8 Eco Tragic. Jason's a bit camera shy, so I'm the one talking here. Not entirely sure what he was thinking. It was a beautiful running ute. Well, it says the ute on the cert plate there. Also suited for an SR20. I think it's probably time for an oil change, but we've got to warm it up a bit first. So, hand it over to Jason. Yep. Only the finest from the warehouse here. Cloudy today. Got a bit of a Deepwater Horizon situation going on here, but we'll be okay. Just a bit of spit helps it fit on a bit better, bit of oil too. Oh fuck.
Easy going to squash me under here.
Yeah, just because I'm fat and you've got standard springs in this. Yeah. So always remember your pump funnel. Don't worry about the water, it helps keep the oil cooler. Yeah, it'll do. Alright, so what's the situation? Chuck some oil in?
Yeah, she'll be right.
Handy tip, put the oil on the oil can on the side, helps it flow a bit better. Oh, now you're waiting on me. Oh, no.
I know, don't worry about that, mate. Never taken that out before.
Yeah. Always make sure to drop a bit on the exhaust so you know that you've actually changed oil for once. And plug your fans up. So we're just going to check the oil now. Ooh, nice and warm. So definitely up to temperature. Got the nice steam coming out there. That's the water we put in before, just boiling off. Oh, I could do with a bit more.
Top up, mate.
Okay.